Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because I am sharing a viral product with you. If you are on Instagram, TikTok, any of the social media sites, you have probably seen this, and it is a lip plumping duo. I'm going to be unboxing, trying, and reviewing it in full. Clearly, I have very small lips, so I love to try all of the lip plumping devices, tools, and products on the market. So when I saw this one circulating, and saw the results that some people were claiming to have, I knew I had to try it. So my package arrived. Let's open it. Ta-da! Here it is. So this is the Kissio set, and honestly I think there may be a few different versions of it out there, but this is the one that I kept seeing. It's available on Amazon for $15.99 for these two products. They also have them individually for $9.99, but I thought I would try both of them because why not? So in here there is a day and a night product, and the double effect is supposed to help plump your lips. So there's natural ginger and peppermint in here for growth. There's vitamin E to help delay aging, and squalene to help moisturize. Squalene? Squalene? I don't know if I said that right. But the results I've seen are incredible. So let's open these up. I honestly don't know which one is day and which one is night. Let me check Amazon real quick. In a lot of videos that I've seen, people put it on just half of their lips so they can tell the difference, so that's what I want to do today, at least to start. I guess based on the packaging, the yellow one is the daytime. I would have thought it went the other way, but this is the daytime oil, and I believe I got it in the shade Rose, so it's also supposed to help tint your lips. So I'm going to open it up. Doesn't really have a smell. I'm just going to put it on one half. Off the bat, I got a little bit on my tongue, and it definitely had a bit of a sting to it. I'm slowly starting to feel the burn. Not much more at this moment than any other lip plumper I've tried. I used to use the lip venom. Does anyone remember that? I loved that stuff in high school. I feel it tingling. I'm feeling it. It's tolerable, but it definitely tings. I wouldn't go kissing anyone. Can you tell a difference? So you're supposed to apply it to your lips as needed throughout the day. You can apply this to your lips before the color and then add your color. And then you can apply it again after coloring your lips for a little shine. This is supposed to give your lips instant volume up to 60% bigger. The compact packaging and soft brush bring surprising lip enhancements, keep lip plumper vitality all day long, moisturize immediately to create soft and comfortable lips, waterproof for more than 8 hours, transparent gloss, reflective gloss, and ultimate moisture. I mean, I really feel it, but like, do we see it? Natural ginger extract and vitamin E are added to lip plumper to enhance lip activity and promote the growth of lip cells. Natural lip plumper makes the lips visibly plump while softening and moisturizing the lips, making them plump and smooth to the touch. It's been about 3 minutes and they feel like they're plumping, but I don't think they look much different. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the other side now. Or should I wait? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other half of my lips and then let them plump together for, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes, because I feel like I need to even it out. This is a generous application. Ooh. Don't get it on your tongue. Ooh. I will be back to show you the difference. Alright, I'm back. It has been nearly 15 minutes since I applied this lip oil, probably 20 if you count the first half. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not terribly impressed. I don't know where these crazy results some of these people were getting came from, but didn't work for me. I definitely feel it tingling. It is still very much actively tingling, and it feels kind of good. It feels like it's working, but I really don't notice a big difference. What I figured I would do is remove this oil, apply my lipstick, see if I still feel the tingle, and see if my lips look a little bigger with my lip products on. I do apply my lipstick in a way that makes my lips look a smidge fuller, so we'll see if it looks an extra smidge fuller today. I mean, they do feel plumper. I will give them that. They are still tingling. After I get ready for bed tonight, I'm gonna come back and try the nighttime oil just to let you know what it feels like and what's happening when I use it. But as of right now, I don't notice any dramatic differences in my lips. Maybe when I see the before and after footage side by side, I'll disagree, but in this moment, I really don't notice any crazy results. They are still tingling a little bit. It did feel kind of cool. It felt like it was working, and my lips feel a little bit plumper. I think it definitely did plump them a bit, but in terms of like the volume and expansion, I don't notice anything.
Hello, this is Editing Amanda checking in, and I wanted to update you on the nighttime gloss because I never filmed a review of it. I did use it and experienced zero effects or results from it, very similar to the daytime. It did have a tingling sensation. It did feel good on the lips in terms of, you know, like smoothness, glossiness, but I didn't notice them to be more or less hydrated, and definitely not plumper. So I'm really bummed that this whole experience was kind of a fail. I have been using the gloss here and there just because I like how it feels. I like the feeling of plumper lips, even if they don't really look it, but overall, sorry.
So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and leave me a comment below letting me know if you have seen this lip duo online and if you've tried it for yourself, especially if you've had great results. I'm curious, maybe I did something wrong, I could have done something better. Again, I love any kind of DIY lip plumper, so I was really happy to try this, and I'm gonna keep using it just to see if maybe it works better over time. But for now, it's a big fail. That's it for today. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!